everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, coming on back, all that great stuff. So today's video, I'm going to offer those of you another alternative or another solution to turkey dinner. Instead of making that whole big turkey, I'm going to show you how I love to make turkey wings. I really love eating turkey wings. So if you want to see how I make them, then keep watching. They're really delicious. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on all those notifications, and thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. Your support is so much appreciated. Thank you so much. So enough talking, let's get cooking. So I'm going to make 2 turkey wings today, and I really love turkey wings. They're so delicious, but they are really tough to find. So if you do find them in a grocery store, I suggest you buy them because the next time you go, they may not be there. I'm going to take a half an onion and cut them into slices. I have 1 can of cream of mushroom, and I'm going to use this for the gravy. I have a half a cup of milk. I'm going to season the turkey up with some garlic powder along with some onion powder. I have some paprika, and I sliced 3 garlic cloves, and some sea salt and some black pepper. So here are the turkey wings, and before I season them, I'm going to drizzle them really quick with some olive oil so that the seasoning can cling on to them really good. So now I'm ready to just go ahead and start seasoning my turkey with the sea salt, and you know what, there really is no exact measurement. You just go ahead and just eyeball it and just make sure that your turkey is seasoned really well with all of your seasonings with the sea salt. And here's the black pepper, and now I'm ready to go in with the onion powder. I really love onion powder, you guys. It just makes your meat taste so good. And now I'm ready to go ahead with the garlic powder, and again, one of my favorite seasonings. It just really takes your meat and the taste of your meat to a whole other level. And I really love using paprika. Paprika is one of my favorite seasonings I like to keep in my cabinet or in my spice cabinet. So I'm done seasoning my turkey, and I'm going to move it over to the roasting pan. You know, that infamous roasting pan I think we all have. And I'm just going to add in the onions, and the onions is just going to add that little extra flavor not only to the turkey but also to the gravy that we're going to make later on. And now I'm ready to add in my sliced garlic, and I know I'm using only 3 cloves, but you can use as many as you like. For me, the more garlic the better. That's how much I love garlic. And I'm going to go ahead and add some water so that the turkey doesn't stick and that it can also form a nice gravy. So I'm going to cover it with the top, and I've already preheated the oven at 375, and while that is cooking, I'm going to get started on the gravy. And the gravy is so simple. I'm just going to take a medium bowl and just empty out a can of cream of mushroom, and I'm just going to loosen it up with some milk. You can use water, but I really prefer milk because it just makes the gravy a little bit more creamier. And I'm going to just pour this over the turkey wings after an hour and 45 minutes of baking in the oven. And your turkey wings should look like this. They're looking really great. And after you take them out, just go ahead and pour all that delicious cream of mushroom gravy over the turkey wings. And just make sure that you brush and you coat all the turkey wings with all of that delicious cream of mushroom gravy. And then you're going to put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes with the top off, and your turkey is going to get nice and golden brown. And after 15 minutes in the oven, this is what your turkey wings are going to look like. So delicious, smothered in all that cream of mushroom gravy. So if you're looking for an easy alternative to turkey dinner this coming Thanksgiving dinner, I highly suggest this recipe. I make it all the time, and it is so delicious, so easy, and every time I make it, everybody loves it. So I highly recommend it. And we are done. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share this video with everybody you know. And if you give this recipe a try, please let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel by clicking that box you see right there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.